Hello everyone. Again here with a new craft video. It's made out of waste wooden frames. So these are 3 wooden pieces. You can see its rough surface. I am using gesso, Maurice, to change its background and will make a smooth surface to paint on. Do first layer of gesso and put it aside to let it dry. Once it get dry, put second layer of gesso. After it get dried, now we will use paints. We need 5 colors for this craft: yellow, brown, green, blue, white. Start from the bottom of wooden pieces with brown and yellow paint. And from bottom to center make you color light until it become white. Now background is ready for further painting. Here is ratio to align 3 pieces accordingly. This is important to keep them aligned as shown in video to make a masterpiece. So here is the Monstera leaf sketch on paper. Draw it with pencil, then later highlight it. So here Monstera leaf sketch is ready to paint. Now use dark green color to paint leaf. Let it dry. Now use light green color. Edges of leaf will be remain dark green and center area will be light green. Here leaf painting is ready. Looks stunning. Now make your wall more glowing with this amazing painting. If you like my video, don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.